Hi everyone. At this stage, you'll need a few materials: shrink plastic paper, which has a side you can draw on, colored pencils, a pencil and an eraser for your initial sketch, and a ruler to help you draw a perfect circle. Before I start drawing the flower, I draw a circle to define the area and keep the composition balanced. And now, let's start drawing the flower. So far, this is what we have. Now, let's keep going and add more details. Alright, the drawing is finished, and now I'm going to start coloring with colored pencils. One of the great things about shrink plastic paper is that it's really easy to color on with colored pencils. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be informed of my weekly tutorials. And don't forget to like the video, because it helps it get recommended to more people. And this is what we have so far. And here's how it looks after adding some white highlights. Now it's time to carefully cut out the design. At this stage, we need a heat tool. I use this metal wire to hold the flowers. Now, hold the flower like this and use the heat tool to warm it, so it shrinks and hardens. Since I want the flower to have a smooth, even surface, I use my hands to straighten it out from its wrinkled shape. At this stage, we need a UV lamp, resin, and earring posts. Now, I turn the flowers to the shiny side and pour a little resin to attach the earring posts. To make sure the resin isn't raised in one spot, I spread it evenly over the entire surface. Now, I cure the resin with the UV lamp. As you can see, the earring post is firmly attached. Now, I apply resin to the other side of the earring and cure it with the UV lamp. Alright, the other side of the earring is now cured, and the work is done. Here's the final result. See you in the next video.